Hello guys, today we're gonna diagnose a problem with a Honda Accord that it takes a long time to start. Like, it wants to go, but it's really hard to get it going. I mean, right now it stays running but barely. Before it will just crank and crank, but it won't start. So using my Autel scan tool, we're gonna see that in the read codes, I'm sorry, not read codes, but I'm gonna check for codes, read codes. It says no fault codes detected, but it's just really hard to start the engine, especially cold weather. Like right now it's not too bad, but when it's really cold it won't start at all. So the owner, he already replaced the distributor, thinking that was the problem, and it wasn't. So, but reading data here, we have ECT sensor and these two. So now it's about 50 degrees outside temperature, and if you look at the two sensors, intake air temperature sensor is reading 57, which is about normal. But then if you go into the ECT sensor, it should be giving you about the same reading, about 50 degrees, 60. And if you look at it, the ECT sensor is reading 187, but it won't give you any codes, no trouble codes whatsoever. So I ordered this part from my local parts supplier, and we're gonna see if we can unhook this sensor. Just to make sure that the harness is not, or the wires shorted to ground or positive. So when you unhook the sensor, it reads low limit. That means the harness is okay and the PCM is okay. So let's plug the new sensor in and let's see what we get. So there you go, 58 intake temperature sensor, or intake air temperature sensor, and then engine coolant temperature sensor, it's reading 50 degrees. That sounds about right. That could that'll take care of the starting problem. I just wanted to share with you, if you ever get a Honda Accord having starting issues, especially in cold weather, pay attention to the ECT sensor, because that might give you the answer to cure or fix the problem on this car. Alright, so we got the old sensor out. This is the old one, and we got our new one right there. So let's turn the key on and see what the reading is on the new sensor that it's been installed. Alright, so 50.72, it's what the sensor is reading on the, now that it's been installed on the engine. So let's crank the engine now and see what happens. Voila! Well, there you have it, guys. Fire right up. Thank you.